Welcome to Review Rumble. The best telephoto lens is probably one of the most exciting pieces of equipment you can add to your camera bag. It allows you to capture stunning images from a distance, bringing distant subjects closer with incredible detail. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, a sports enthusiast, or simply someone who loves to capture the world around them, a telephoto lens can open up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Number 5. Altura Photo 58mm Wide-Angle Lens. This wide-angle lens from Altura Photo easily attaches to your existing 58mm lens. It instantly broadens your field of view, perfect for capturing stunning landscapes and group shots. The included detachable macro lens lets you capture incredibly detailed close-up shots. It's perfect for photographing small objects with exceptional clarity and resolution. This lens is compatible with a wide range of popular 58mm lenses. It works with many Canon and Nikon models, as well as lenses from Olympus, Lumix, and Fujifilm. It is also compatible with many Canon EOS Rebel and other Canon models. Make sure your camera has a 58mm lens thread size before purchasing. Simply screw this lens onto the front of your existing lens. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your photography without replacing your entire lens setup. Before you order, please verify your lens thread size. This is usually indicated by a O symbol followed by a number, such as 058 for a 58mm lens. What we like. This lens attachment instantly expands your field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes. It also features a detachable macro lens. If you're looking to capture both wide vistas and detailed close-ups, this is the perfect addition to your kit. What people say. It's heavy. And I mean that in a good way. It's absolutely solid. Metal housing, quality glass on both the macro and wide-angle lenses, and a secure fit where they are threaded to each other, to the step-up ring, and to the camera. It comes with little extras that I had not been expecting, a rubber lens cover that press-fits securely to the front of the lens, and a vegan leather, PU, carry bag, both of which I will be using even though I didn't know I needed them. The wide angle gives quite a bit or extra space to the edges, able to capture more in a photo than without. Number 4. Sigma 150-600mm Contemporary DG/OS HSM Lens for Canon. This is the Sigma 150-600mm Contemporary DG/OS HSM lens, designed for Canon cameras. It offers a versatile focal length range, making it suitable for various photography scenarios. This lens is a great choice for capturing distant subjects. The lens is built with a lightweight and compact design. This feature enhances usability, making it easier to handle and carry around. You'll appreciate its portability during long shooting sessions. The front glass element features a water and oil repellent coating. This coating simplifies maintenance, allowing you to easily wipe away water spots and oil smudges. It helps keep the lens clean and clear. This lens has a 95mm filter size. This allows you to use a wide range of filters to enhance your images. It gives you more creative control over your photography. The minimum focusing distance is 280 cm, or 110.2 inches. This allows you to get relatively close to your subject while still maintaining focus. It's perfect for capturing detailed shots. The focal length of this lens ranges from 150mm to 600mm. This wide range provides incredible versatility, allowing you to capture everything from wide landscapes to distant wildlife. It's a powerful tool for any photographer. What we like. This lens is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around for long shoots. Its water and oil repellent coating makes maintenance a breeze. If you're a photographer who values portability and ease of maintenance, this lens is a great choice. What people say. It is relatively lightweight, maybe only weighing 7 pounds, when paired with my Canon Rebel T7 camera body, so it is great to carry, even on long hikes or birdwatching trips. The AF feature is fairly decent, getting a nice clear focus within the 100 to 400mm focal length, in my experience. The optical stabilization feature also works great, allowing for smooth viewing even in high movement shots. Number 3. FotoZ HD Macro Lens with Adapters. Introducing the FotoZ HD Macro Lens, designed to bring the smallest details into sharp focus. This lens allows you to explore a hidden world, revealing textures and patterns invisible to the naked eye. This macro lens is compatible with most Canon, Sony, and Nikon cameras. It works best with telephoto lenses, allowing you to achieve incredible close-up shots. The lens includes snap-on universal adapters for various lens sizes. Installation is a breeze, simply snap it onto your existing lens. It's secure and won't come off easily. Made with high-index optical glass, this lens delivers rich and incredibly sharp images. You'll be amazed by the clarity and detail it captures. The FotoZ HD macro lens is easy to install and portable. It comes with a storage pouch, making it perfect for macro photography wherever you go. We're confident you'll love this lens. It's backed by our 30-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. What we like. This macro lens works in conjunction with telephoto lenses to achieve high magnification. It includes a snap-on universal adapter, making it compatible with a wide range of lenses. If you like capturing the tiny details of the world, this lens will bring your macro photography to life. What people say. The lens is very sharp and the image stabilization works great. The autofocus is fast and accurate. The build quality is excellent. Number 2. Canon EF 75-300mm f4 to 5.63 lens kit. This lens offers a 4x telephoto zoom, making it perfect for portraits, sports, and wildlife photography. It provides a flexible range to capture various subjects with ease. This allows you to get the perfect shot every time. Weighing only 16.8 ounces, it's incredibly easy to carry around. This makes it ideal for travel and everyday use. You won't be weighed down while capturing amazing photos. The lens uses a DC micro motor for quick and precise focusing. This ensures you can capture the moment without missing a beat. It helps you get sharp, clear images every time. It reduces lens flare and ghosting, delivering high contrast and accurate colors. This ensures your images look their best, with vibrant colors and sharp details. The coating enhances the overall image quality. The lens features a 7-blade diaphragm for smooth, pleasing out-of-focus areas. This helps isolate your subject and adds depth to your photos. It creates a beautiful background blur. What we like. This lens offers a versatile zoom range, perfect for various subjects. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry. If you're a traveler or someone who enjoys capturing a variety of subjects, this lens is a great all-around option. What people say. The lens is very sharp and the image stabilization works great. The autofocus is fast and accurate. The build quality is excellent. Number 1. Canon RF 70-200mm f2.8L is USM lens. Introducing the Canon RF 70-200mm f2.8L is USM lens. This telephoto zoom lens is designed for mirrorless cameras. It delivers exceptional image quality and performance. This lens features a bright f2.8 aperture. It ensures excellent performance in various lighting conditions. You'll capture stunning images with ease. Despite its powerful capabilities, it's surprisingly compact and lightweight. This makes it easier to carry around. You can shoot for longer periods without fatigue. It comes with optical image stabilization, providing up to 5 stops of shake correction. This feature helps to reduce blur, resulting in sharp images. The lens utilizes dual nano USM for high-speed, smooth, and quiet autofocus. It allows you to quickly and accurately focus on your subjects. This is ideal for capturing fast-moving action. It has a minimum focusing distance of 2.3 feet. This allows you to get closer to your subjects. This lens is perfect for a variety of photography styles. This lens is compatible with Canon full-frame mirrorless cameras. It is designed to work seamlessly with the EOS or series cameras. Enjoy the versatility and performance it offers. What we like. This lens delivers high image quality with a bright f2.8 aperture. It is also compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. With image stabilization, it helps to reduce camera shake. If you are looking for a professional-grade telephoto zoom lens, this is the one. What people say. The lens is very sharp and the image stabilization works great. The autofocus is fast and accurate. The build quality is excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.